Welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you a new way for affiliate marketing with Canva. You know that Canva is a designing software for all of the guys for free and easy. Do you know that Canva also have a paid of promotion for Canva Pro, where you can use their premium services for buying their products of Canva Pro. So we have to go on Canva affiliate. You have to search for Canva affiliate on Google and you have to visit on this website. Okay, you can see I have successfully visited this website, and here if I go on down, here is three options. Actually, basically we have to register as an affiliate, promote Canva Pro, start earning. Okay, there are three options. We at first we have to register at this platform. Then you can see at here we can earn $36 for every new Canva Pro subscriber that's signed up with your unique referral link. Okay, that's enough. Now we have to go on the sign up option, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. We have to create an account, so click on join now option. Click on join now. Now it will take some limited load. Now if we go on down, there are option actually available. Okay, I have given my this I will use a different mail address at here. I already have an account with that. Control A, C, Control V. Okay, I have given a password. Now a display name. Actually the account display name will be your name, and your company website name will be your social media link, or if you have an own website then you can use it. You can also use YouTube channel link at here. Okay, I will simply go on my YouTube channel. So then we have to copy my account name link. Now click on this. If you have an account then you can do this, but if you have a social media account or a page or any other thing for promote this type of things, you also use just at here. So I can also use this link, but okay, that's enough. We will use this link now. Control V. So there is HTTPS available, so I will delete the HTTPS option from here also with this. Okay, that's enough now. Okay, now you have to give your tax information at here. Indirect tax, I am not a register for indirect tax. Okay, you have to give your tax information at here. Then business model. At this business model we will give a social media option, influencer, because I am giving my YouTube channel link. If you have only other options then you can choose it. Now property type, social networks, YouTube, and you have to give your channel username at here again. Then there are also some options available that you have to see. Then that's enough. Now you have to go down. There are agreements available at here that you can also read. Okay, now you have to sign up here with giving all of the information at here. Okay, then you have to copy your affiliate link. So how you can promote their affiliate offers? Now we will get $36 for every affiliate link when someone purchases Canva Pro with our affiliate link. After getting the affiliate link, you have to go on Cutly. Then you have to copy the affiliate link. Okay, this is my actually affiliate link. Okay, this is actually my affiliate link. I have copied it and I have already short that with Canva, Cartly. So this is a link shortener site, you can use it. Now how you can get this type of people? Now you have to visit fiverr.com. Now there are also some options available. You have to go down, or here you can search for, okay, graphics design option available at here. Click on this graphic design option. Now choose any of the options at here. I choose logo design. Okay, now logo designs options are available. Now you can see there are many gigs available at here. He is selling a logo for $400, starting at $400. He is giving at $50, and there are many type of gigs available. So what I will do, I will open a seller at here. Now you also have to be an account at here. I have an account. If you don't have an account, create account at here. And other thing is, if by using this way your Fiverr account may be blocked, so don't use this method with your original Fiverr link if you are a seller and you are making money with Fiverr. Fiverr is actually freelancing site where you can make money whatever you know by your knowledge. Now click on contact me. Now we are going to contact with this person. I will write a simple SMS to him. I saw that you are a logo designer and you work hard for the work for making your customer happy. So if you want to make your work easy, then you can use this website. Okay, you can use this website with the paid method. Okay, so paid subscription, that's easy with your work. Okay, now I have to give my Cartly affiliate link at here. You have to collect your affiliate link from Canva affiliate after sign upping on that platform. Then if you are copied your affiliate link, you have to copy your affiliate link redirectly. Actually you have to be sure that that is your affiliate link. Don't promote any other URL. Okay, so I have copied my affiliate link, then I have sorted this with currently, then I have to paste the link at here. Okay, that's enough. Now I will give a SMS to them. Okay, that's enough. They have sent a, I have successfully sent him a SMS, and if he is interested now, he can purchase the Canva Pro subscription. So if you have liked the video and this promotion makes you happy, and you will able to get $36 per Canva Pro subscription if someone buy with your affiliate link. And be sure that your affiliate link should be corrected rightly. Okay, don't promote any other URL. Okay, so after this there are also some options available. You can also use this type of gigs, and you have to send SMS to every sellers at here. And there you can see there is also top rated seller available at here. And another thing is, don't, if you are having make money with Fiverr, then use another your account and use another IP address. Because if you are making money with Fiverr, and if you are a level 1, level 2, level 3 okay, sorry, top level seller, then it should be bad for your account. And you don't want to waste your time by this type of work if you are a Fiverr top rated seller, because they have many works now. They have work and work, they leave works because they don't have time to complete them, right? This is a top rated seller, they get most sales. You can see 1k plus $15. Okay, this is actually the main thing. If you are top rated or if you are getting sales from Fiverr, then you should do this with another account and another IP address, because if you do this with your same account, your account should be blocked. If you have something problem with my video, then give me a comment, I will understand you everything. Thank you for watching the video, hope you have liked the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.